how to pronounce the letter C in Spanish. Did you know that it depends on the vowel that it comes after? Let's dive in. By the end of the video, you will exactly understand when the letter C sounds like a K or when the letter C sounds like an Z in Spanish. And I want you to master after this video the letter C and how to pronounce these common words like casa, cielo, and cinco. C depends on the next vowel. In Spanish, the letter C sounds like a hard C, like your K in English, so hard C, and a soft C, like your Z in English, or even the Z in Spain. What is the secret? It all depends on the vowel that it comes after the C. When C is followed by A, O, U, the sound is going to be like a K. It's going to be a hard C. Por ejemplo, casa, casa, cosa, cultura. Casa, cosa, cultura. Café, café. Casa, cosa, cultura, café. Okay, now try reading this aloud. I'll give you 5 seconds so you can try to do it by yourself, and of course I'll do it after for you. Camino, if you say camino, perfect. Comida, perfect. Comida. Cuchara, perfect. Cuchara. Cuba, Cuba, perfect. Canada, perfect. Canada. If you already speak English, this is the exact same sound like the K in kite is the exact same sound, or even the K in cookie is the same sound. It's short, it's strong, and not breathy. It's the same. Okay, now let's dive in the soft C. Sounds like S, Z. When is followed by E or E in Spanish. It sounds like the S in the most Spanish-speaking countries. Let's say like se, si, z, se, si. Let's break it down in some examples. Cielo, cine, centavo, ciudad. Cielo, cine, centavo, ciudad. Cielo, cine, centavo, ciudad. A tip if you are looking for the Spanish from Spain, the C in Spain sounds like a th in English for the C or C. So let's say in Spain, cielo, in Latin American, cielo, in Spain, cielo. So cielo or cielo, depending on which Spanish you are learning. Neither is wrong, both are correct. It's just depending on the accent and the region which Spanish you are learning from. But since I'm from Latin America, in this video I will focus on the Z and how we pronounce it here in Latin America. So now let's practice both sounds together. This is a perfect practice for you. Casa, casa, casa. Cielo, cielo, cielo. I'll give you a few seconds for you to practice also at your place so you can pronounce and repeat after me. Cocina, cocina, cocina. Cine, cine, cine. Now repeat after me. Cielo, cuna, casa, cultura, cocina, 100, comida. So a tip for you, when you say casa, you put your hand on your throat and you can feel the vibration, casa. But when you say cielo, it's soft and you won't feel the vibration on the throat. So casa, cielo. Can you see? Can you tell the difference? That's the tip. But what happens when we have the C followed by the H? It has its own sound. It's not like the K or C. It has its own sound, like chico. Chico. It's the same sound as we pronounce it, like chocolate. Chocolate. In Spanish, chocolate. 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 So don't get confused. Chico, cine. Chico, cine. Now let's do this exercise. I'm going to tell you 5 words. You will need to practice. I'll say 5 words and you need to identify whether if it's a CH sound, a hard C, or a soft C. You can pause the video and dive into that. If you wanna, you can tell me in the comments so I can also read your practice. Cultura, cielo, camino, ciudad, café. Okay, you can let me know if the C was hard or soft in each word. Cultura, hard K. Cielo, soft S. Camino, hard K. Ciudad, soft S. Café, hard K. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Now let's do some real life examples by countries. Let's hear how we use this in a real life of a Spanish speakers, persons in their countries. Vamos al cine después de la comida. Vamos al cine después de la comida. La casa está en la ciudad. La casa está en la ciudad. El cielo es azul. El cielo es azul. If you are traveling to a different Spanish speaker countries, you can tell that sometimes these pronunciations might be slightly different, but with these pronunciations you are saved and they will understand you. Don't worry, it's the way I speak and everyone understands me. I'm an Ecuadorian living in Uruguay and I'll be able to communicate with people from here using my Ecuadorian accent. So don't worry, this is going to be nice and okay for you. So that's it. This is the way you learn like a pro how to pronounce the letter C, the hard C or the soft C in Spanish. Remember, hard C, K, Q, soft C, C, C. So a tip that I'm also give to my students. Okay, before to pronounce a word that has a C in Spanish, stop and think how to pronounce this C. Is this a soft one? Is this a hard one? Which vowel or which letter comes after? And then you will have the answer. Do you want to learn more? Download my free PDF, link in the description. And if you need one-on-one lessons, you can text me and let's have a trial lesson so you can start improving your Spanish from scratch, either for traveling, real life conversations, or for working. Thank you for clicking in and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao!